Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Venu 3 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the action button, the one at the top, and keep holding it until the controls menu appears on the screen. Now, scroll through the controls menu, find the Do Not Disturb mode icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enable the mode. As you can see, there was a message DND on, and the icon changed the color to green, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And then you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And if you want to disable the mode, press and hold the action button again to open the quick controls menu, find the Do Not Disturb mode icon, tap on it, you will see the DND off message and the icon will go back to the gray color, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And then you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.